everybody, welcome to Ben's Ramblings. Recipes, reviews, and of course ramblings. Okay, we're gonna make some homemade tortillas to go with our carne asada tacos. Alright, let's start making the flour tortillas. I've got 4 cups of all-purpose flour, sifted all-purpose flour. I've got a teaspoon and a half of salt. I'm just going to mix that in. To that, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil and 1 2/3 cups of hot water. And I'm just going to mix this in with my hands. And the dough, once it comes together, should be kind of soft, Play-Doh-like. It's not going to be a real tough dough. Alright, and if it doesn't pick up all the flour in the bowl, that's okay. At this point, I'm going to take it out and we're going to knead it 10 times. Just want it to all come together, make a nice, cohesive ball until it becomes smooth all over. If the dough feels like it's too wet, you could add another tablespoon of flour. I think this is just about right. It's not really sticking to my countertop. And it's starting to smooth out. Okay, it's just about there. Okay. Using a bench scraper, I'm going to divide this dough into 12 equal parts. Divide it in half, and then each one of these will get divided into thirds. I like to kind of roll them out into a little bit of a cylinder to make it easier to see where that division happens. We're just going to take these, roll them into a ball, and then press them flat into hockey puck shape. In the pan. Just a dish there to cover it. No. Okay, they're all rolled out now and flattened out into kind of a hockey puck shape, and we're going to put them on a floured cookie sheet just for resting for about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna put them on the cookie sheet. And I've already got some flour on here, just so they don't stick. And I'm just gonna shake some flour over the tops of them and cover them with a kitchen towel to rest. I'm gonna let these sit for 10 minutes. Okay, the dough's rested 10 minutes now, and we're gonna just roll it out. We want about 6 to 8 inch circles, so just keep working around it. Okay. And the big thing is you really want to make sure you don't lay these on top of each other once they've been rolled out, or they will stick to each other. So what I'm going to do is put a paper towel between each one, just to make sure they don't stick. You want to try to make them as round as possible. Again, they don't have to be perfectly round. Again, work it around, but as round as possible. Just turn it down, roll. All right, and they are all rolled out. I'll see you back out at the Blackstone. Okay, griddle's nice and hot. We're gonna throw on those tortillas. Let's see how they turn out. They're gonna take about a minute on the first side and only about 30 seconds on the second side. See, they're just starting to bubble up. That's just about perfect. Take a look. Nice. They're just getting those leopard spots on the bottom. Let's flip them over. All right, looking good. Another few seconds on that side and I think they're ready to come off. Perfect, let's take those off. I'm gonna put them on a plate and cover it with a towel to keep them warm. Let's get the rest of them going. All right, these first ones that I just threw on should be ready to flip over. Get this last one on here. Go a little bit longer. All right, let's take these off. Beautiful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell.